Well, our shift is almost over.
Yeah.
I see something. Ah! Ding, ding, ding. Is anyone there? Iceberg, straight ahead. It's gonna hit. Chapter 4. The Life on RMS Titanic. As the passengers settled down to their voyage, most was delighted with the standard of accommodation. Everything was very luxurious in every way. Every single room on Titanic was luxurious. Chapter 5. A Night to Remember. Around 11:30 p.m., high above the ship, the crow's nest, Frederick Fleet and Reginald Lee was peering into the darkness. Fred Fleet saw a shape just 500 yards or 500 meters away. He immediately rang the bell to alert the bridge. Murdoch acted immediately, ordering an immediate turn to port. Quartermaster Robert Hichens turned the wheel to starboard instead. It was too late. In case you do not know who was Murdoch, Murdoch was the first officer of the Titanic. And the iceberg basically hit the Titanic's hull, breaking the rivets, and the disaster began. I know what you're thinking, but ship twins, why wasn't the captain in the bridge? Well, to answer that question, let's take a look on how many captains are there. Please count them. First officer, a captain, a second officer. How many? Just one. So sometimes the first or second officers would be in charge of the bridge.